Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a third hand for less than £2. Start with 2 pieces of scrap MDF 12mm thick and cut them to 150mm by 95mm. You will also need 2 crocodile clips, 2 jack plugs, a bolt 25mm long, a nut and a washer. The next thing to do is to mark out the position of all the bits and pieces. First of all, mark out a line, an L shape, then mark the 2 holes for the jack plugs at 15mm from this line and need to be drilled 5.5mm each. Then mark out the slot, which is 40mm long, 5.5 wide, 26mm down from the top and 30mm from the right hand side. Once this is done, you will have 2 pieces. This one you glue down to the base in that position. The second piece is sanded so that it slides in and out of the L-shaped piece with no problems at all. You now need to drill the hole through the base in this position here. This is the hole drilled through the base. On the other side, you need to drill a hole that's just starting at 8.5, probably only about 2mm deep, just so that the nut sits in there like that. Then turn it over and fit the bolt through the nut. Now screw the bolt right down . Now take the bolt out. Now fit the L-shaped piece in place and glue it in place. Once it's glued, you can then fit the first jack plug in there. Use an adjustable to push it right down so that you don't crush the spring. Once you've put everything together, you will wind up with this. Put a little bit of super glue inside here that holds the crocodile clip to the jack plug. You can now undo the bolt on here and slide this to any position you like, depending on what you're going to be putting together.